Hello crypto fam, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I am going to share details about the Velo where you can easily get the wallet, Gasless USDT wallet. We are going to share each and everything how you will move digital dollars anywhere from one place to another without any border. Then this is borderless, gasless wallet where instantly you are going to do transaction execution, the simplest stablecoin wallet for instant crypto cross-border payment you can easily get. This is designed with user-friendly interface. You are going to join with instant transfer, global reach, non-custodial security. These are the thing you are going to join, and one of the best thing you can find here, gas, no gas token needed. Lowest fees, simple and transparent, one low fee cover anything, no need to hold Ethereum or BNB or any gas token. This is how Velo Cash is working. You can easily download the wallet. Mean there is app on the Google Play Store and App Store. You can come to store and you can also add and send globally your asset without any worry. This is also how transferring a stable coin with gasless wallet is here and how it is working, and it is also already live transfer with the live session and 3 active routes. So there you can also check all major chains are supported: Ethereum, Solana, Tron or BNB. All of these are supported by the gasless wallet Velo. And here you can check about the trusted worldwide $2 billion plus transferred already. So if you have any question related to the project, you can easily read the frequently asked question. And now I am going to download the wallet here, and then I will show you how actually this is working in a proper thing. And now you can download the wallet from Google Play Store. Guys, you can come on the Google Play Store and search Velo Gasless Wallet, and this is wallet where you are going to install. That is very simple. Choose your language. This is very lightning fast transaction pace, ready to start. You are going to create account for the first time. You need to put a password of 6 to 8 digit, and then you have to confirm that. After that you can get phrase code. You don't need to send anyone. Then you are going to come on the sending option, put the number of amount and select the wallet address here. If you want to receive any wallet on multiple chain, you can use experience. QR code will be given. You can use address too. These are the thing how actually you are going to do simple actions on the gasless wallet. Enjoy your transaction now and send borderless payment in a very safe ecosystem and fast. Thanks for watching.